In this tutorial, you will learn how to sign up for the library's reading programs, including the annual summer and winter reading programs, as well as other programs like 1,000 Books Before Kindergarten. The library uses Beanstack to track reading. This video focuses on navigating the Beanstack app. If you plan to use the website, please watch the tutorial for how to access the Beanstack website. First, download the free Beanstack app from your App Store. Then, open the app. When prompted, select Let's Go to get started, then tap that you will be participating at your library. Enter West Bloomfield and select the West Bloomfield Township Public Library, regardless of whether you prefer to use our main or West Acres branch. Sign in when prompted, or hit the Sign Up button at the bottom to create a Beanstack login. To enroll, you must have a West Bloomfield library card. Residents of West Bloomfield, Keego Harbor, Sylvan Lake, and Orchard Lake are eligible. Students in the library's service area are also eligible. This includes West Bloomfield School District schools, Lone Pine, Keith, or Pleasant Lake Elementary schools. If you do not have a West Bloomfield library card, you can apply on our website or at either branch. When creating an account, please provide a phone number or email so that we can notify you about the program, including if you win a reward. Once you're logged in, you can add more readers in your household by clicking on the Settings button at the top of your homepage. Select Readers, then select Add a Reader. Fill in the new reader's information when prompted. If you already have an account, you may be asked to update you or your child's information upon signing in. Please ensure the age is up to date, then select Save. You will be prompted to update this information for each account every year. This will impact what challenges are open to you. If you do not see the challenge appropriate for your family member's age, please contact library staff for assistance. Rewards and activities vary by age group. The Read to Me category is for babies, toddlers, and pre-K infants and feature lower reading milestones. The Youth category is for kids in grades K through 5. The Young Adult category is for kids in grades 6 through 12. And the Adult category is for ages 18 and up and features different rewards. Readers of all ages can participate in summer and winter reading and earn fun rewards. Once logged in, you will see your overall stats on your homepage. If multiple readers are associated with your account, you can toggle between accounts by clicking on your profile photo on the top right. The default photo is your initials. Scroll down to view current challenges. You must be enrolled in a challenge to earn rewards for time spent reading. Click See Available Challenges and scroll down to see current options. Click on a challenge to learn more about it. Select Join Challenge to enroll. Once you're enrolled, you'll want to start logging your reading, completing activities, and claiming your rewards. To log time spent reading, click on the blue plus button at the bottom of your screen. When prompted, select Reading. If you have multiple readers on your account, you will be prompted to select which readers you'd like to log. You can select multiple readers at once. Different reading programs track reading in different ways. For summer and winter reading, be sure you record how many minutes you've spent reading. For 1,000 Books Before Kindergarten and similar programs, be sure you log how many books you've completed. Enter the required information and then select Done. You should see your progress reflected in the challenge. Activities are another way to earn rewards for certain programs, like the summer reading program. To view all of the activities you can log and current challenges, select the blue plus button at the bottom of your screen. Then select Activity, or simply navigate to the Activities tab within a challenge. Select an activity to see the instructions or mark it as completed. On the rewards page, you can see the rewards you've earned, the ones you're working towards, and instructions on claiming them. Some programs also have ticket drawings for select rewards. Go to the Ticket Drawings tab to participate in these. At the top of the page, you will see how many tickets you're able to spend. Click on a reward to learn more about it, or add or remove tickets. You can also check how many tickets you've put towards each drawing here. Be sure to put your tickets towards rewards before the end of the drawing so they don't go to waste. Our reading programs extend beyond Beanstack. Paper trackers are available for select programs. Plus, ask our staff about related events or reading recommendations to build your family's excitement for the program. We can't wait to hear all about all of the amazing books you've read.